This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start in Settings because this is the only way to fully stop Google Maps from running and tracking. Open Apps, locate Google Maps, and inspect permissions and location access now. You do this so you can remove background privileges and prevent automatic relaunch. Once you see location and background activity, you're ready to change them. Don't just close the app. That won't persist. Make sure to note whether Maps has notification or battery optimizations active, since those affect how the app restarts. Now take action. Set location permission to deny, or at minimum to while using only, prefer deny for a full shutdown. Next, toggle off background location and background activity so Maps cannot access GPS when not visible. Then disable notifications and auto start to stop the app from relaunching automatically. You do this because permissions plus background execution are how Maps continues to run. Removing both ensures the app cannot silently track or operate without your explicit interaction. Finish by force-stopping Google Maps and, if necessary, clearing cache or app data to remove lingering processes. Restart your device. After reboot, open Settings to verify location and background permissions remain off. If Maps still appears active, uninstall updates, or on Android, disable the app entirely. On iOS, remove it. One key troubleshooting tip: if location returns, double-check system-level location services or other apps that can request location on behalf of Maps, and revoke those permissions too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.